Okay, let's create a dog on a hat. You need to inflate a balloon with a size like this, leaving 4 or 5 inches allowance at the end. Now, inflate another set of balloon just like this, leaving 2 or 3 inches allowance. First step, create a loop that fits on your head or the head of your of a child. Now we have a loop here for the head. Now create another bubble figure here by putting this portion at the top of the head, just like this. Okay, so this time let's create a dog by leaving a 2-inch bubble here for the mouth and 4-inch loop for the head, and 1 inch for the neck, 4-inch bubble for the leg. Now before you create the leg, you just put it around here on the top of your hat, and that's the time you create the front leg of your dog. Now leave 4 inches bubble for the body and create another loop for the second leg of your dog. Just like that. So we have a dog on a hat. Thank you.